To another Leetcode video. Today we're going to be solving 2108. Find first palindromic string in the array. So what we're going to do is go ahead and read the description. Okay, so it says, given an array of strings, words, return the first palindromic string in the array. If there is no such string, return a empty string. Okay, a string is palindromic if it reads the same forward and backward. So here it would be this, right? And then here would be race car. Okay, so is there an O event solution? There shouldn't be. Yeah, I can't really think of an O event solution right now. Let's see if the hints have anything. Okay, I mean that's like obvious, but okay, let's see. We'll check the second hint after, but so they want us to return an empty string, right? So we'll just call it final. That's what I like to call all my return variables, and then we'll just like, no, we shouldn't return final. And then we'll just do for I in words if. So what we have to do is a palindrome is the same read backwards and forwards, right? So we would have to reverse each one, and then if they equal, then we'll just return it. I mean, yeah, that's it. And then I guess we could just return. So we just get rid of that. So if I equals, and then so this is how you reverse in Python. I think you just do reversed or reversed. Yeah, I think reversed too. But so if they're equal, then just return. This should be it. So there's gonna be like n times the length of the string. Yeah. So let's okay, I bet you guys these guys are gonna edit the like the user dot out. Yeah, these guys, man. And let's see if anyone else. Okay, yeah. There's one. Yeah, but they reversed it as well, so I'm guessing they just got lucky. But yeah, they probably did it at like some random time because if you see this guy did the exact same thing as us, right? But I mean he even like broke and then returned the answer instead of just returning it, right? So ours should be faster, but I'm guessing it's just the time like the new daily dropped, so that's why it's gonna be slow. Well then that's about it. Actually I want to show you guys another problem and just show you guys a solution. I don't know, it was pretty interesting to me for the yesterday's solution. Cause I mean first of all, I kind of I did the bad time complexity one. So so I'm just gonna restart this and I'll show you guys a new way, right? So this is called Moore's voting algo. So this is gonna give us you see here? I forgot to read this, but yeah, this solution will give us O of n. I mean O of 1 constant space. So the theory behind this is, okay, if you guys haven't read the question, we'll just read it. So you're given an array and you want to return the majority. So the majority is just that, right? So and it's guaranteed to have a majority, right? So we don't even have to check. So what we have to do is, this is really cool. Uh some things we got to know is that um the the most majority elements will, well, I think when I show you it will make more sense. So what we do is we initialize the element, we initialize the count, right? So what we do is, this is just a one iteration, right? So for I and nums, right? So first of all, we just check if our count is at 0, right? Then that's basically, this like sort of greedy, I guess you could say. So if the count is 0, then element is equal to I, right? So we just take that as our new element, and then now the count is equal to 1. So this count increases every time we see this element, right? So let's just do that part. Elif um uh yeah, elif element equals I, count plus equals 1. So, and if we don't see it, right, and we're not at 0, then we just decrement count. So basically the count of the majority element will always be more than the count of any other element. So this decrementing would not really affect it as much if you see another element, and this would basically always make it so that the majority element is on top, is the element, like this element at the final. So if we run this, I don't know, this was a really interesting algorithm for me. So hopefully it works. Oh, just return. Okay, let's submit it. Yeah, see, the space is really nice for this one too. Constant space. I guess they did. Hmm. No, oh, I don't know. They just got lucky, I guess. Okay, so and then I continue. Actually, I'll just do that in another video. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow.